Alright, we're here in Norfolk, Virginia. I'm looking for potential apartments. You can see the shipyards kind of off in the distance down there. And this is the laundry room, so that's why it's so noisy. And I think this was called Hague Park. Utility sink. Rubbish thing. Doesn't look like it's used. Yeah, out of order. Wonder how long that's been there. Looks like it was foot operated, so you can push that and it would come open. That's pretty cool. Before we go down, we'll take a look at the hallway. Here it is. And here we have some nice old Westies. Westinghouse. Ooh, shake. If you listen closely, we've got the rubber band door operator. That's the first I've heard one of those. I've been looking for one. We'll listen to it one more time just for fun and then we'll go. It's hilarious. And what also is hilarious, look at that. How does that even happen? Oh, I guess it's upside down. Someone was being funny. Oh, yeah, I know what they did. They reversed the entire thing to make it ADA compliant. Oh, look at that. Oops. Because this used to be up there, and they just flipped the whole thing upside down. Ooh, I'm glad I could reach that. That's really cool, though. I'll send this one up. Oh, the arrow beep that time. Modded down here, but it looks like the rest of it's original. Hague Park. It's a lobby. There are your mailboxes. It looks like maybe only one is running. So unless the other one's running, that's it.